Hello YouTube, I bought a new bench grinder. It has both a normal grinding stone and a slowly turning whetstone. The water and the slow speed help to keep the blade cool while grinding, so it doesn't undo the hardening. Problem is, I could keep grinding like that all day and it still wouldn't make the blade sharp. Time to use some rougher methods and modify the knife and the bench grinder with a heavier hand. A shorter blade is often better for wood carving. It doesn't matter if the back of the knife gets hot. However, it's a good practice to dip the blade into cold water when working on the edge. I wouldn't want to heat treat the blade again. I'll finish the edge with an extra fine grinding stone. After that, I'll use 1000 grit sandpaper. Here I'm applying moderate pressure with the tips of my fingers, so that the whole bevel touches the surface. This way the angle of the bevel stays consistent. The knife is now considerably sharper, but it can still be a lot better. Time to ravage the bench grinder. I'm going to put an MDF grinding wheel where the whetstone used to be. The idea is to rub some metal polishing compound on the MDF wheel to quickly polish and sharpen edges. I'll cut the MDF using my poor man's bandsaw, an upside down mounted jigsaw. I thought I had a brilliant idea to rotate the MDF around a bolt to cut a circle. Unfortunately, the jigsaw blade bends like an iPhone 6 and the result is a spiral. I tried to correct it by eyeballing, but ended up sawing a completely new piece in an octagonal shape. I'll turn it into a disc when it's attached to the bench grinder. Here's a cool way to balance rotating things. Now the wheel is ready for some polishing compound. I'll give the previously sharpened edge around 20 passes on both sides. It's good to finish with a softer cotton wheel, which doesn't deform the edge, but is guaranteed to smooth out the whole surface. This makes the edge razor sharp. Stay tuned for the next episodes, where I'll use this knife to carve a butter knife and a shoe horn. I'll also use this video's sharpening method to restore two very rusty knives to pristine condition.